You got them, you don't want them. We're talking mud daubers. We're going to tell you what they are and how to get rid of them. Check this one out. Guys, welcome back again to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com. Today we're talking mud daubers, guys. You've probably seen them. You may not know what they are, but those are those little mud nests that you see up under your stucco, on the eaves, under the roof lines, or in a wood pile. They can be just about anywhere, but those are mud daubers. And what are mud daubers? They're a type of wasp. A type of wasp that makes a nest, puts their larvae in it, breeds, and they go out and make more nests. So how do you get rid of them? And what are they all about? Mud daubers are very non-social insects, guys.
Don't you have any friends?
They don't want to be around you any more than you want to be around them. They can sting, but they will not sting unless you provoke them or corner them. So don't worry about that. So let's say you come across one of those nests. What are you going to do? Well, first of all, you need to make sure that nest is free of that mud dauber before you mess with it. I'm going to give you some ready-to-use products that can help you knock down those mud daubers when you get them. One of those products is ttps. Another product is D-Force. Now, all these products I'm giving you, they are pressurized aerosol cans. Shake, spray, wipe them out. And they're going to kill other insects on top of that. But a great go-to if you got a mud daubler nest. Now, another one, Striker 54. And last but not least, PT 565. All those can be found at howtopest.com. So go over there and grab yourself a bottle if you got those mud daubers and get them wiped out. So I said you're just going to shake and go. You see the nest, you're going to shake up the can, you're going to go to town on that area. Once you've done that, let it take effect for a minute, come back 15 minutes later and knock down that nest. You can knock down these mud nests in multiple different ways. Easy way to do it is just to go up there with some type of scraping tool like a screwdriver. Be careful, if you go too deep, you're going to start scratching away the surface that they've attached the nest to, like the stucco. So knock it down until you get the residual of the mud, and you're going to have that, and that's going to be hard to scrape away. So the best way to do it, now you hit the rest with the garden hose. It'll drip mud down the side of whatever that is, your wall. It just rinses off, and that's how you get rid of them. Let's talk about some cool features of these mud daubers. I know you don't think they're cool, but they're crazy cool. These guys build their nest in these little cones. It can be one or it can be multiple. The female does this, and then what she does, she goes out and she hunts spiders. So she goes out, and it's like Lord of the Rings.
She jabs him with her stinger, and he goes as limp as a boned fish.
She like stings this spider, immobilizes it, but it's not dead. And then she stuffs them in to these actual little cocoons that she's built, and they feed her larva. They eat these spiders while they're still alive. Nobody knows if they're completely paralyzed or brain dead or what have you, but they're still alive. So it's just nuts. Not just one spider. She'll keep packing that nest until they merge into an adult, and they go out and they do the same thing. So very cool hunters. Now, they are hunted also. They're hunted by other types of wasps, like a cuckoo wasp. They're hunted by birds like sparrows, starlings, and they're hunted by woodpeckers and a couple other things on top of that. So they do get hunted too. So if you see a nest and it kind of got abandoned, well, that mud daubler may have got wiped out. Mud dauber may have got wiped out by its predator. So easy thing to take care of. Don't be alarmed. Don't be frightened by them. I know they can freak you out. We'll show a picture of one here on this video so you can see they're kind of scary looking, but they really want nothing to do with you, just like you want nothing to do with them. So that's as simple as it is to take care of these mud daubers, guys. Thank you for watching the videos, guys. If this video helped you out, please put yes down below in the comments for us. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, guys. We appreciate you watching the videos. If there's anything else I can answer for you, I'd be happy to do that. Go over to howtopest.com and grab yourself one of those cans, and you'll be ready to go for that next nest that you come across at your casa. Take care, guys.